Hello students, welcome to Educational Era. In this video, we will discuss an essay on tourism. Tourism is the activity of visiting other places for the purpose of seeing the sight and being entertained. Tourism is a very popular leisure activity with some people traveling to other side of the world for tourism purposes. The tourism industry is an industry that arranges tourists' visits to places of interest. Some of the most popular tourist destinations in the world include the Eiffel Tower in Paris, Taj Mahal in India, and the Machu Picchu Trail in South Africa. Some people like to combine their business trips with a little tourism. Taking time out from a business trip to a foreign land to see the local site is a great way of There are various different branches of tourism. Ecotourism, for example, is about visiting areas of natural beauty in an environment-friendly way. Meanwhile, adventure tourism might involve rock climbing or water rafting.